See him right here? That's called a red belly. And he's on the suet. And he has a red head, yet he's called a red belly. Oh, see, there's the Oriole. He's very orange. He'll come to the feeder too, and you can see him because he's behind that tree that Uncle Mike and Gavin put in. I'm going to move just a little bit. See if he can go to the feeder. Oh, now he's seeing, hey. Oh, see, there's another one. He's very orange. And they love the suet that zebra-looking woodpecker's on. See, there's the Oriole. See how orange he is? Watch him go over there and get those oranges on that. Well, he likes the suet too, but... And that's a male because he's very orange. The females aren't colorful at all. See him on top of that? Look how cool he is. He loves oranges. And Uncle Mike made that for him. And that's his call. His call saying, I found the food. I found it. If y'all want some food, come on over here and eat it. Oh, duckies. There's another male. See? That's also his call. They sound so pretty. You know what? That one on the orange, see, his colors are lighter. So that's a juvenile. He's a baby. His colors will get really black, like the one in behind him. That's probably his daddy. Duckies are back. Oh, there's that. See, he's real pretty. Duckies are back in their pool. Just to let you know, they do that all day long. In the pool, eat. In the pool, eat. And then they sleep. We'll see if we can get that hummingbird to come and have a little something to eat. Hear all those birds? Uncle Mike and I live in the Manistee National Forest. So sometimes we have turkeys walking through our yard. You just never know. Oh, they're busy birds, aren't they?